Assalamu alaikum. So children, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is the Narayanpur incident. So before starting the chapter, let me first tell you what the chapter is about. Okay. So this chapter is related to Indian freedom struggle. Means when the Indians were struggling to get the freedom from Britishers. And it also includes the history of India's struggle. So this is a simple story of the residents of Narayanpur. Narayanpur is a village in India. Okay. So this happens when Quit India movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi. Means this is the incident that was described in this story was at the time when Quit India movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. So the main characters that were involved in the beginning of this story were Manju, Babu and Mohan. Mohan is the character who took part in the procession. Means a procession was started by the people, and Mohan was also involved in that. And these are the brothers and sisters, Mohan, Babu and Manju. Mohan and Babu were brothers, and Manju was their sister. Okay. So now let's start the chapter. Now said Manju impatiently, "Tell me where we are going." Impatiently means in an irritating manner. Okay. So Manju said that, "Tell me where we are going." So she asked impatiently, means she was unable to control herself, and she said that, "Tell me where we are going." हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? To watch a procession. Walk fast, we may be late. What procession? Whose procession? Where? So as she was with Babu, so Babu said that we are going to watch the procession. Procession means a march that was carried by the peoples, in which the number of peoples and vehicles were involved. Procession कहते हैं जिसे जुलूस जैसे निकाला जाता है, उसे कहते हैं. So he was involved. They were going to watch a procession, and he said that move fast. We may be late. So again the Manju asked that what procession, whose procession, किसका procession भाई, and where, कहाँ है procession. So she was very curious, she was very impatient. You sound just like Ramabai, said Babu. Did she give you a quick lesson? So Babu said, you just talk like Ramabai. Ramabai, I think, suppose she must be their neighbor, or she must be a servant or working woman in their area, might be. And Babu said that you are talking just like Ramabai. Did she give you some lessons? Did she taught you something? The college students are taking out a procession from their college to the collector office. Mohan told me we could watch. He says it's going to be peaceful. So Babu now explained that the college students, means the students from the college, they were taking out the procession, and from their college to the collector office, means the procession was started from their college and it would be carried to the collector office. And Mohan, who was also participated in this procession, he said that you also can watch this procession. He says it is going to be peaceful, and he said that it will be very peaceful, so you can also watch it. Peaceful means quiet and calm. Mostly during the procession some violence may be created. लड़ाई झगड़ा अक्सर प्रोसेशन के दौरान हो जाता है, बट मोहन सेड दैट दिस प्रोसेशन मस्ट बी वेरी पीसफुल, सो यू कैन बी इन्वॉल्व इन इट, यू कैन कम टू वॉच इट. आप लोग आ सकते हैं इसे देखने के लिए, काफ़ी पीसफुल तरीके से निकाला जाएगा. There were already some people lining the roads. Manju and Babu found a good spot almost opposite the gate of the collector's compound. They had to wait for some time. So many peoples were sitting near the road to see the procession. Manju and Babu also got the good spot. Good spot means a good position or the good place to watch the procession. He got the place just opposite the gate of the collector's compound. Means they were just opposite the gate where the procession was carried to. मीन्स कहते हैं ना, उन्हें देखने के लिए बहुत अच्छी जगह मिल गई थी कि जहाँ प्रोसेशन को आना था, जहाँ तक सब लोगों को आना था, वो उन्हें उधर ही जगह मिल गई थी ताकि वो आसानी से देख सकें. तो दे हैड टू वेट फॉर सम टाइम, बट दे हैव टू वेट फॉर सम टाइम. Soon they heard the magical words. They are coming, they are coming. The children, like the others, rushed out. Policemen appeared all along the road. Some of them walked in front of the students, some by their sides. So soon they heard the magical words, means they are coming, means the procession was coming on. The children were also rushed out. Police were also get alert. Some policemen were walking in front of the students, some by their sides, but the students marched as if the police did not exist. But the students were marching just like that. They were this means there were no police. They were so in a disciplined way. They walked in complete silence, means the procession was in complete silence. There was no disturbance, no violence in the procession, and the students were walking very peacefully. There were no slogans, no shouts, just the shuffle of feet and low murmur from the watching crowd. Means slogans means, what do you mean by slogan? स्लोगन means short phrases, कुछ नारे जैसे लगाते हैं ना, उन्हें स्लोगन कहते हैं. And only the shuffle of feet, only the voice of the feet, means there was no any kind of disturbance. There were no slogans, only the shuffle of feet was there, means सिर्फ पैरों के चलने की आवाज़ आ रही थी. And low murmur from the watching crowd, and the voice from the crowd only, means the people who were gathered there to see the procession, only their voice was coming, not from the procession. The procession was completely peaceful. Babu and Manju looked eagerly for Mohan. Yes, there he was, dressed in white pajamas and a cream-colored kurta, with another boy holding aloft a picture of Mahatma Gandhi. Their arms must have ached holding it up that way for so long, but their faces were expressionless. Mohan and Manju were eagerly waiting for Mohan, means they were Babu and Manju both were waiting eagerly for Mohan, because Mohan was also participate in this procession, so they both were waiting to see Mohan. So they said that yes, there he was. He was wearing the white pajama and the cream colored kurta. Now they both saw Mohan in the procession and said that, hey, there is the Mohan. He is wearing the white pajama and the cream colored kurta. And they also said with another boy. He was with the another boy. You can see in the picture that there was Mohan with another boy, and he was also holding aloft. Aloft means raising high in the air. To carry something, to means raising high in the air means ऊपर, हाथ से उन्होंने एक कोई चीज़ अपने हाथ में ऊपर पकड़ रखी थी. A picture of Mahatma Gandhi. What they were carrying? A picture of Mahatma Gandhi, means the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Their arms must have ached holding it, means they must be having pain in their arms as they were holding that picture for so long, but they were not showing any kind of such expressions. It means that even those children were tired of carrying that Mahatma Gandhi's posture, but they did not show it. Expressionless means on the expression of tiredness was not there on their faces. Means they were not showing the feeling of tiredness on their faces. Even they were tired, but they were not showing that. Here in the picture you can see that this boy was Mohan. He was wearing white pajama and the cream colored kurta, and he was also with the another boy, and they both were holding the poster of Mahatma Gandhi in their hand. Okay. Aloft means to raise high in the air, means they were carrying this picture high in the air, like holding it like this. This is called aloft. Okay, I hope that up till here the chapter is clear. Okay.